treating everyone equally with dignity and courtesy without prejudices or discriminations. Without respect, society faces division, conflict, and lack of harmony, leading to feelings of being undervalued and ignored. Practicing respect fosters unity, understanding, and a positive environment where everyone feels valued and heard. R is for respect, a virtue so true, honoring each person in all that they do, from different cultures to diverse views. Respect bridges gaps and offers new clues. In classrooms and homes, in workplaces too, respect paves the way for what we pursue. No place for prejudice, no room for disdain. With respect in our hearts, peace we attain. Respect brings us close, makes our hearts glow. In treating each other with kindness we grow. With dignity and grace we embrace. Respect is the bond that we should showcase.